Right. Is the other question, question 17. So you have been asked the three sides of a triangle are 2y plus 4 centimeter, y plus 5 centimeter, and 3y minus 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeters. What is the length of the longest side? So maybe you can just sketch a triangle there. So you have been told that so as you all know that a triangle has three sides, 1, 2, 3. So you have been told one of the sides are 2y plus 4. Okay, so the other one is y plus 5. The other one is 3y minus 3. Now that we know that perimeter of a triangle is given by a summation of the three sides. So summation of the three sides. So therefore just come and say what is our perimeter. So we know that the perimeter is that. So that is equals to 2y plus 4 plus y plus 5 plus 3y minus 3. So collect like terms here. You have 2y plus y, 3y plus 3y, 6y. So you get that is equals to 6y. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. So when you bring this one back, it becomes 30 minus 6 is 20, 24. So now it becomes 6y is equals to 24 over 6 over 6 is 4. So y is equals to 4. So if you want to get the length of the longest, just replace where there is y, you put 4. So you can see here 4 times 2 get 8. 8 plus 4 we get 12. Again here 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 3, that is 9. Okay, down here you have 4 plus 5, 9. So the longest is, so our answer now become 12 centimeter is the longest. Let's come now to this other question here. We've been asked to solve the simultaneous. So solving simultaneous, can we solve it in three ways? One is using elimination. Yes, elimination method. You can use substitution method, or the graphical method. Okay, elimination is where you are trying to eliminate them directly. Substitution is when you are trying to substitute one in terms of the other. Graphical is where you are drawing the table of values, getting the table of values, and you plot your graph where the two lines meets. That is now the point of x and y. It's now giving you the x and y values in that manner. So when you do more practice, you will get to understand that better. But for now, we can decide to use one of the methods here. So you can use, maybe you can practice each of them. But for us, I want us to use the substitution method. And us to use this one. Maybe for you on your hand, you can try using elimination and graphical. Yeah. So in substitution, just come in. So I want us to let the first one to be, so x plus y is equals to 10. I want to call this one equation 1. Equation 2, we have 2x plus y is equals to 90. I want us to call this equation 2. So in substitution, you substitute one equation to the other. So I want us first to represent y in terms of x. So when you represent y in terms of sex, just come and say y is equals to, so when you take this one to the other side, become minus x, so it become 70 minus x. You can even call this one again, so y is equal to 70 minus x. So next time, now whenever you come across y, you just replace with 70 minus x in the equation that you did not use in this case. So let's come and now replace in our second equation. So 2x plus, instead of us saying plus y, we say plus all this, because we're already represented by all that. So 70 minus x, okay, is minus x is equals to 90, is equals to 90. So therefore, like terms 2x minus x, so it becomes x. When you take 70 to the other side, so it becomes minus 70. So x therefore is 90 minus 70, which is 20. So our x is 20. So just come and say but. Earlier on we had said that y is equals to 70 minus x. So y is equals to 70 minus 20, which is our x. 70 minus 20 is what? What do you get there? So you get 50. So y is 50, x is 20, and those are our answers. Then finally, now let's go to this other question here. The length of a rectangular nursery bed is 50 meters. It's represented by a line of 10 centimeter on a plan. Write the statement scale of the plan. Oh, here is just a representation of this of the scaling. So you should know that we have what you call representative fraction scale. You can have linear scale, you can have ratio scale, and statement scale in this manner. So you are being told that the length of a rectangular nursery bed is 50 meters. It is represented by a line of 10 centimeter on a plan. So it's like saying, so if a distance of 50 meters is represented by 10 centimeter, so the first thing to do here is to change, or is it a must to change? But the first thing to do is to simplify this. So just come and say let, so 50 meters is represented by 10 centimeter. So in other words, it's like saying 1 centimeter is represented by, okay, or let's omit that one. Let's first of all convert this one here, 50 meters to centimeter. So we normally say 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So this is like 50 or 5,000 centimeter is represented by 10 centimeter. So which means we can simplify it further and say 1 centimeter. Yes, 1 centimeter represent 500 centimeter, or 1 centimeter represent 5 meters, just like that.